Hello guys, I am Arya Sending and this is the unboxing video of the graphics tablet Huion H640p. Let's get into it. The box is pretty big as you can see, and on this box there is a picture of a deer, and here is the name Inspire H640p battery free pen tablet Huion. The branding and Inspire and Huion branding. Let's see what's on the back side of the box. It says specifications of the tablet and the pig and some information to contact them. Now let's open up the box. Opening the box is so smooth, and here you can see it is a protective foam to protect the tablet. And the first thing you notice is the warranty card, and at first glance it looks like CD. Now here is the tablet. Let's take it out of the box, and you can see it is protected by some protective films. Let's see what else does the box have. Here is the manual booklet. It is very pretty and nice, small little book. It tells you how to use the tablet. Let's keep it aside, see what else in the box. There is a long sheet of paper, which is actually the dimension of the tablet for working space on mobile and PC. And now the pen itself. It is pretty thick pen, but it has a good thing, it is batteryless. We'll get to it later. Now let's take a look at the pen holder. It is very tightly attached there. I got it. And here is the pen holder. It's pretty cute. And here is the micro USB cable to power up the device. And here are some OTG cables or the converters. Nothing else on the box. Let's open up these OTG cables, and firstly the micro USB to USB A OTG, and here you can see it is built with metal, which is pretty nice. Now let's take a look on the other OTG, and it is the USB type C to type A converter for MacBook and the latest generation mobile phones, which supports USB type C. And this OTG is also made of metal, which is nice. And now let's take a look at the micro USB cable. Here is the micro USB and the type A to connect to the PC or your phone using the converter. Let's open up the wrap, and you can see it is pretty long actually, so you don't have to worry about shorting of the cable. And here is the pen holder, which is actually a nip puller, and you can see. Now let's open it. It can be done in one hand, and here you can see it has 8 nips built in, so if you damage your nips you can use it. And here's the pen. You can see it is pretty thick pen covered with rubber, has a nice grip, and it is battery free, which is pretty nice. You don't have to charge this. And here is 2 buttons for 2 purposes. Nothing really fancy. You can go horizontally or vertically, which is your preferences. It's pretty nice to have a pen holder with this feature. Now let's unwrap the tablet, and you can see it is matte black and actually pretty thin and lightweight also, which is very carry friendly, and is the Huion branding. And here are 6 express keys. Here you can see some rubber pairs to grip. And this is the end of the unboxing video. I hope you like it, and I will post a review video after 7 days of uses. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.